Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to verify your Discord account. Let's get started. If you have just created a new Discord account, you might see a page that says verification required. To start, click the blue verify button. Discord will ask you to enter either your phone number or email address. Fill that in and click send. Next, you might need to complete a quick human verification. Just check the box to confirm you're not a bot. Then, the 6-digit code will be sent to your phone or email. Enter the code on Discord and it will confirm your account. Then, after phone verification, Discord will prompt you to verify your email. Go to your inbox, open the email from your Discord, and click the blue verify email button. You may need to complete another human verification here. Once that's done, you'll see a confirmation message and can continue to Discord. And after that, open the app and wait for any updates to finish, and your account will be fully verified. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.